How you doing, brother?
Hey, you actually...
How are you?
You're gonna video this?
Absolutely. Hey, listen, I am video material.
Yeah, you're video material.
Somebody called me Richard Gere today. So
Yeah, well, excuse me, Mr. Richard Gere. Can I finish shaving your fucking fotch?
That's crazy. My fucking fotch.
Your fotch, your face in Italian.
The fotch, yeah. The faccia vazoo. Yep, that's right. My best friend. We hate each other's
Would
guts.
you stop talking?
All right. I'm
trying to shave your chin and your fucking lower jaw is going up and down.
Mine was $636.
You have a great day now. What we gonna do, bro? I'm gonna be now. Brought me in the marvelous light. I can see now. What a blind man told feet. He went down there to the bar. The blind man said, I couldn't see, but now I can see. I can see all my hands.
I'm a street legend.
You're what?
A legend.
A legend in the street?
Yeah.
For what?
I'm all over Wikipedia.
You're on Wikipedia?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put you on YouTube. Would you like that?
Sure. If you go to Joe Comfort, New Haven, you can read about it. I felt 10 stories in 1981.
Oh no. Did it hurt you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Are you from New Haven all your life?
No. I lived in LA for about 15 years.
What brought you to New Haven?
Ringling Brothers Buttermilk Bailey Circus.
Were you working for them?
Yep. I was a carpenter.
God did it. He did it. Yes, God did it for me. He did it for you. Hallelujah. God did it for me. God did it for me. Hallelujah. Come on, who did it? God did it. He did it. Yes, God did it. And it's already getting better. It's already getting easier. God's already moving on your behalf.
Come on, let us continue to bless the Lord. Let's bless the Lord. He is awesome. He is mighty. He is worthy. He is worthy. He is worthy of all things. I found out that there is nothing too hard for him. I tried everything. I tried my friends. I tried my family. But when I found out about Jesus, he was the solver. He was the one that could answer the problems that I was going through and still go through. So I give him all glory and I give him all honor and I give him all the praise on today because he is worthy. I was thinking about this song, Victory. Victory. And I just want to sing a little bit of it. Is that all right? Victory, victory shall be mine. Victory, victory shall be mine. If I hold my peace and let the Lord fight my battles, victory, victory shall be mine. Joy, joy shall be mine.
also given that it would probably
That?